action.
I'm going to show you a few pointers on repairing your toilet if it is running. There's two things that it could be if your toilet's running. That's either the fill valve or the flapper. In this case, we'll assume it's the fill valve. If you hear your toilet constantly running and it won't shut off, you're going to want to replace the fill valve here. First thing you're going to want to do is shut the water off. That's down here at the bottom. Once the water's off, you flush the toilet to empty the water out of the tank. Once that's empty, you'll disconnect your supply hose down here at the bottom. And have a bowl ready. A little bit of water is going to come out when you do that. Once it's disconnected, there's one nut here that holds on the fill valve. You loosen that up. And then it comes right out of the top here. So you get your replacement fill valve, and then it will go right back in. And then there's one nut here that holds it on. You can go hand tight and then get your pliers and just crank it a little bit tighter here. And you can reconnect your supply line. And then same thing, go hand tight and then just a little tighter with your wrench. And then you want to make sure the fill tube gets reconnected. And you turn the water back on down here, and you are good to go.